So by the time you're watching this, I will not be here. I will not be here. I will be across the world. Hawaii. I'm going to take a nice trip to Hawaii for 2 weeks. And this trip is different. I've traveled a lot in 2024. Obviously, I'm ending with a fucking banger. But I've traveled a lot. But this trip is specifically different. And let me tell you why. This is not a vacation that I go with my family during summer. This is not a trip that I, planned for such a long time. And I was able to go because I had to organize the days of when I'm free, with school or work. And I have to go for a certain period of time. Technically, I can go for however long I fucking want now in Hawaii. But I've decided 2 weeks. I want to be back for Christmas to spend, obviously, the holidays with my family. But this trip is different. And let me tell you why. Because this is the first trip. Not only is it's not a vacation, because the way I see it is, vacation. I've been on family vacations, and I'm not going with my family. I'm going with one of my closest friends, who is also making a shitload of money online, who's also been dropped out of school for years already, and me and him are just pursuing our dreams. And so I'm not going with my family. I'm going during the middle of December, where for me it's cold, it's snowing. Usually I don't leave the country when it's cold and snowing because I'm usually in school. Usually it's summertime when I'm off, I go on vacations. But this is the first trip I actually decided to go for no reason whatsoever. And in a short period of time, it was organized. It wasn't organized for a long time. It was a short period. The first time I have a successful business where I'm comfortable with my bank account. I'm making money online. I'm with my boy that's also doing the same thing. I'm not with other friends that don't do this, or I'm with family that doesn't do this. It's purely just, the way I see it, it's purely just a fuck you trip. It's a trip that just says, you know what, fuck it. Not fuck you, sorry. A fuck it trip. Just do it. Why not? You could. It's the first trip that I have pure freedom. And I get to do whatever I want. And it's the first trip that again, I'm comfortable with my bank balance. I'm comfortable with the systems that I have with online that's still making me more money. I'm comfortable with the community and everything that I have. I'm no longer going there stressed. I'm going there fully to work, to experience. I'm going there to make more money, to enjoy maybe a bit of luxury. We're renting some nice cars that, again, it's all going to be documented. It's a different trip. It's a different trip that I can't explain. And it doesn't even feel real. I'm leaving tomorrow. Again, a lot of shit's happening. I can't explain it. My brain can't comprehend it. My brain can't. It does not feel like I'm leaving tomorrow, but I am. And even though that this is not the Bali trip, you can go back. For the people who've been following me, they know that for it's way over a year. Again, documented on my fucking YouTube. There's a video dedicated all to it, me talking about it. How I plan to drop out of school, drop my job, and go to Bali. First of all, that's official, by the way. I dropped out of school a while ago. I quit my job yesterday, and I'm now officially booking. I'm officially booking Bali. But that trip was planned. That trip was like, I had a vision for it. But this one is just random, just for purely fuck it. And it's going to be such a different trip, bro. Like, I'm telling you, because think about it. If I never sacrificed anything, this is the way I think about it. If I never took the risk, if I never sacrificed hours, lone, late night, if I listened to other people, guess what I'd be doing in the exact same time? I'd be in final exams. Like, that's a fucking brain fuck for me. is that if I didn't do the decisions that I did in my past, I would be doing final exams. But instead, I'm fully free, and I'll be in Hawaii. Hawaii. Absolutely crazy. Look, all I'm saying is be fucking prepared. This Hawaii trip, we are going crazy, and the videos are gonna be insane. And just stay tuned for it, because I want to even just show you more. Instead of me talking, I want to show you. Instead of me talking about all the ecom shit, I can finally show you the results. Instead of me talking about traveling and doing this, I can finally show you, bro. The next video is me in Hawaii. Or maybe I have one scheduled. Next 2 videos, I don't fucking know. But soon, very soon, within the week, I'm gonna have videos in me in Hawaii. Traveling the world and making money. And that's exactly what I've been envisioning for the last 2-3 years of my life. And it's finally coming into play. Stay tuned. Because I just want to show you. I'm not here to flex. I'm not here to say I'm better than you. I actually say the opposite. I am exactly like you. I am no different than you. All I did was show up every single fucking day and didn't give up. And look at the results. Look at the life that I'm going to live now. And you, and the only purpose I record these videos, and the only purpose that I'm here today telling you, is that you can do the same. No guru bullshit. I'm not selling you anything. Obviously, I provide a community to help teach you all this shit. But I'm not here. I'm not even worried about that. You don't have to join. I don't care. Right now, you don't need my thing to succeed. I'm being honest. I'm being very fucking honest. Obviously, I believe that I can help speed up the process. I can help guide you. But you don't need it. All you need is to show up every fucking day and try. And you can get whatever your heart fucking desires. Stay fucking tuned. And please, just show up every fucking day. Work your ass off. Ignore all the fucking haters. Ignore every fucking person telling you this, that. Show up every day. Fucking focus. Work hard. That's all it is. And I'll see you. I'll meet you. Am I gonna meet? Maybe I might have to start changing the ending slogan. I might have to say, I'll meet you. I'll meet you at the top. That's what it is. I'll meet you at the top.